Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. In Physical Education class 12th, chapter number 8, Biomechanics and Sports. In this chapter, we have studied introduction of biomechanics. All the games and sports and their movements are based on physics. In the other words, these movements are based on law of motion, levers, inertia, gravity, etc. Hence, without the knowledge of physics, no positive results can be achieved in the field of physical education. Study of biomechanics provides the knowledge of human body movements and the forces that acted on these movements. Now, what do you mean by biomechanics? The word biomechanics is derived from two words, bio and mechanics. Bio means living things and life, and mechanic means the science of movement and force, the forces related to the body movements. So, biomechanics is the application of the principles of mechanics to the living human body. Every physical education and sports activities is based on the biomechanics. Biomechanics teaches the exact movement for particular activity. Activities in physical education and sports are based on laws of motion, speed, velocity, lever, acceleration and friction, resistance, equilibrium, force and gravity, etc. All these are related to mechanics. The science of movement and force can play a great role if they are applied in the activities of sports person. Definitions given by different authors according to Paul Roger. Biomechanics is the science of a living body, including how muscles, bones, tendons and ligaments work together to produce movement. According to dictionary also, biomechanics is the study of action of external and internal forces on the living body. And so the study of biomechanics provides the knowledge of human body, movements and forces that act on human movement. Our next topic is, what do you mean by sports biomechanics? Sports biomechanics is the physics of sports. In sports biomechanics, the laws of mechanics are applied to understand the athletic performance and to reduce the sports injuries also. Biomechanics in sports is the muscular, joint and skeleton action of the body during the execution of given task, skill and technique. And also, once again, biomechanics and sports. Biomechanics is the study of body movement and muscular activity. Sports biomechanics is the study of forces and stresses of human movement and their effects on athletes' performance and safety also. It plays a crucial role in injury prevention and performance enhancement. Biomechanics analyzes benefits athletes of all ages and skill level. And importance of biomechanics is our next topic. Importance of biomechanics in sports. It helps in better understanding of human body, and the techniques are also modified and development of new techniques. Example, Perry O'Brien, disco put in shot put and hitch and hang style long jump are developed by biomechanics. To find fault in the execution of the movement of an athlete, biomechanics gives the knowledge of various joints and muscles of the body and their angle of movement also. Analysis of training, exercises and equipment, and to assist and help in the development of training, exercises and equipment also. Biomechanics helps to examine the internal and external forces acting on the athlete, and athlete is used the and effect produced by these forces, and to prevent and reduce the risk of injuries also. Biomechanics helps in research work also. It also creates confidence in the players. And again, the importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports is it helps in improving equipment, helps in improving the design of the equipment also. Shoes and sports clothes designing improved by the biomechanics, and better equipment improves performance and reduces the risk of injuries also. Better racket in the racket games, better helmets to reduce risk of injury in ice hockey, football and many other games. aerodynamic clothing in skiing, speed skating, cycling and swimming, etc. Next is helps in improving the performance also by utilizing biomechanics to improve techniques, by utilizing biomechanics to improve equipments, and by utilizing biomechanics to reduce the risk of sports related injuries. Other importance of biomechanics is helps in the improvement of the training. Mechanical analysis of the technical deficiencies of a sports person helps identify the type of training required. The weak areas may be strength, endurance, speed of movement or body actions. Customized training can be imparted to the sports person also. And next is helps in improving teaching and learning process. Biomechanics helps in moving the body with precision. Understanding of biomechanics helps the teachers to take right decisions, and understanding of biomechanics helps sports person to learn his weaker areas and provide motivation to correct the actions, postures to enhance performance and prevent injuries. We conclude this topic. Today we have learned meaning of biomechanics and importance of biomechanics in physical education and sports. Thank you.